guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to make this V-stitch infinity scarf. So because this this yarn is a little bit hard to see on camera, I'm going to be using another yarn for demonstration purposes. But you are going to need a 5mm hook, and this will be 78 inches long, 4 inches wide, and it takes about 1 skein to do the whole thing. So I made it long enough so I could loop it around me twice. So let's get straight into it. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is chain 24. So you're going to go ahead and make your slip knot. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 2, 23, 24. Okay, so now that you have your 24 chains, you are going to do your first double crochet in the 4th chain from hook. So you're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, do double crochet. And then you're going to chain 1, and then you're going to do a double crochet in the next chain, and then you're going to you are going to skip the next chain and then do another double crochet in that one. And then chain 1, and then double crochet in the next one, and then skip 1, and then double crochet in the next one, and chain 1, and double crochet in the next, and then skip 1, and then double crochet in the next, chain 1, double crochet in the next. So you can see where this is going. So we basically do 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet, and then skip one of your chains and then do 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet in the next. So you can go ahead and pause the video and come back when you have finished the end of the row. So when you get to the end of the row, you should end on a V, and then you should have 1 chain left, and you're going to go ahead and double crochet there. So from there we are going to chain 2, and then turn your work. And then from here, you are going to double crochet into the first V space, which is, see, this is your chain 1 that you did in between the 2 double crochets. So you're going to go in there and do a double crochet, chain 1, and then go into that same V space. And then from there you're going to go straight into your next V space with the double crochet, chain 1, and back into that same V space. And then go straight into the next V space, chain 1, and back in the same V space, and then to the next, chain 1, so hopefully you can see where that is going. So if you'd like to pause the video, and we will meet back at the end of the row. Okay, so now this is the last V, and then here is my chain 2. So we are just going to double crochet in that, chain 2, and then turn your work and start off by doing the same thing. Double crochet, chain 1, double crochet in the V space. So this is basically the whole entire project. So you just keep going row after row until you have the length of the scarf that you prefer, and then when you're done, you can just attach it, put the ends together like this, and just do single crochet along the edge, and it makes a very pretty scarf. And if you get some nice decorative yarns like this, it can be really, really pretty. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. And I will be coming up with another infinity scarf, so check the link. It's probably going to be somewhere around here, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys! Hey guys, I forgot to mention that I'm going to put the instructions to this pattern in the description box below. It is a free pattern that I found on Ravelry. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye!